posto. Un attimo.
Ok.
Ready?
Un secondo. Sì.
Allora, un attimo che anch'io. Ready?
Ok. Posso andare?
Sì, puoi.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Arianna, a student of International Studies, and I will show you how to submit your enrollment application. Before getting to your GUM page, which you can see on the screen, you first have to log in into the GUMP account. You will be asked to provide some information on yourself, and then you will receive an email containing your username and your password, which then you will use to log in onto GUMP. As you can see here, you can also switch the language. You can see the account in. For example, we can find the English version. And just a quick premise before the video, this is a video tutorial showing how you can apply to the course of Global Security Studies, which is taught in English and Italian, but it can be used for students applying for international studies as well, which is taught in English. This is part of an enrollment process, and therefore it is not sufficient to simply submit the application for evaluation of curricular requirements, but for students with in a foreign degree who are not Italian nationals, it is necessary to check whether the registration on the National Universe Italy portal is required. And additionally, there will be some formal checks by the Roma Tre University that are needed to validate the submitted documents. Therefore, we recommend contacting the Roma Tre Help Desk to reach the Office of Students with Foreign Degrees. And on the Roma Tre website, under the Enrollment section, you can find the How to Apply guide with all the instructions and required documents, depending on whether you are an EU or a non-EU student. Okay, so we can start. Okay, let's look onto the master's degree courses. We first have to look into the preliminary evaluation of previous studies. We will submit some documents that are needed. For example, we have to look into the application for evaluation of curricular and cultural prerequisites for assessing a master's degree. Here we will put, our files such as a transcript and follow what the GUMP says. Okay. Here we have to choose our course, the degree. We're gonna go on to the Global Security Studies or even International Relations. So here we have to choose, the enrollment. So let's add a file. We have to choose our academic year. If we come from a foreign university, our course study. Here we're adding the course year that we want to enroll in. And then if we come from a foreign university, we have to specify which university. Then the city. And then the name of the course that we've chosen. Yes, so let's be really careful with all of our information. We can add our foreign university name, the city where we studied, and the name of our course, of our degree. Once we have added everything that is mandatory, we can click onto OK, and we're done with this process. Yes, let's make sure that we add the year in which we enrolled in. Perfect. And then we have to put all the exams that we have taken throughout our academic career. The date of attainment of our degree, of also of our exams. And then, of course, we have to add the final mark or result. And if we, in which we have graduated in. And then if we also have cum laude at the end of our exam and academic career. Here we have to put all the credits of the courses we have taken. So here are all the credits that we can add. And in the areas that we have gotten these credits. And we can do that with all the courses that we have taken to make sure that our transcript is complete and full. Perfect. And then we could also add the transcript of our exams. So to make sure that our informations are all detailed and full. And then we can confirm and see what GOM says. Okay. Confirm. And here we will first have to pay. And once our application is paid, we can move on with the next step. And then we obviously want to download our receipt. Yeah, so this is a payment because we have exceeded the days to complete the payment. It will be of 60 euros. And after this, we are done with this process of the first part of this process.